Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about shared web hosting and how it actually works. I'll be also explaining who shared web hosting is most suitable for as well as what benefits that it offers you. So if you are new to shared web hosting and want to know more about this topic, then this video is going to be for you. And also if at any point you want to check out anything about web development and any guides or tutorials about WordPress, you can check out this description where you can find the links to the playlists from where you can just access to all the free tutorials and guides. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Firstly, what is shared web hosting? This is a type of hosting service where multiple websites share the same server. You might be wondering like why would anyone want to do that? And the answer is simple. It's cost effective and efficient by sharing resources with other websites, and the cost of maintaining the server decreases significantly. So, how these servers and web hosting work? Let me just break this down for you. Have the servers and web hosting work every time you type in a website's URL. Your browser searches for the website on which the website is stored and hosted. Once it locates the server, it sends a request to the server for information and data to make the website visible. With shared hosting, it's the same process. But one server is responsible for storing all these multiple websites all at once. Although everyone shares the same server, each website is an entity of its own and have this freedom and flexibility to create a unique journey and experience for your website. If you are just going for the shared web hosting, it is very affordable option among all other solutions, so which is why it is a popular choice for many people. And who could benefit the most from this shared web hosting? While this type of hosting is perfect for variety of websites including blogs, news, and websites for beginners and web development, uh, for those who are using this WordPress and e-commerce stores who are just starting out their online journey, so they can just have this because like it's easy to start and affordable option so that you don't need tons of money to invest on. And if your website doesn't need to handle a lot of traffic videos or bandwidth, sharing a website server can be a great option for you to move on. And this is providing you, there are many service providers that will be providing you with this shared web hosting. And also, this is budget friendly as I already mentioned, and it is easy to manage as you're starting out. And also, you don't need anything like any programming or coding for you to get this done. And for maintaining the server, like for maintaining and it is very easy to navigate and to maintain the server when you're using the shared web hosting, because the hosting server provider takes care of all these things. And the other thing is that you don't need any experience with hosting a website, like any technical knowledge or anything. So if you, for the better websites like the high traffic websites, you might need technical knowledge and it can be challenging task for you. But this shared web hosting simplifies both setup and management of your website. So this will be this having this shared web hosting will be a simple process. All you need to do is get a plan and setting up the shared server to installing and upgrading to the necessary software. You don't need any coding or web development experience, and it is having an easy to use panel that simplifies everything from setting up your email to managing your domain. So, if you're looking to start your online journey and if you want to know more about this, you can just go to the description to the playlist and check out our guides and tutorials on how you can do that on WordPress and various other topics. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.